How to fix WhatsApp status music not working. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix issues when music doesn't play or record properly in your WhatsApp status on iPhone or Android. In this tutorial, I'm using an iOS device. However, if you're using Android, you can follow similar steps because the steps are the same on both of the devices. So you can see that this is a new feature of WhatsApp and you can only view this if you have an updated version of WhatsApp. So what you gotta do is simply head over to your App Store or Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. Go to the search bar and search for WhatsApp, and then you gotta update WhatsApp. If the WhatsApp application is not updated, you'll be able to see an update button appear over here. So you gotta simply click on update. Like you can see, I have an update right now. So you gotta simply click on update and your WhatsApp would be updated and you'll be able to see that the feature is there. However, if this doesn't solve your problem, you can simply head over to your phone settings and then you gotta click on general and then you gotta click on iPhone storage over here, or you can also click on your Android storage and then you gotta scroll down and here you gotta search for WhatsApp. And then simply offload the application. This will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data, and reinstalling the app will reinstate your data if the app is still available for download. So you can simply offload the application and then install it again. It will keep your data safe. You gotta simply offload and reinstall. However, if this doesn't solve your problem either, you gotta simply head over to WhatsApp, click on settings over here at the bottom right, and then you gotta click on help over here. And after that, you gotta click on help center, and then you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So you gotta search for features over here. So simply type in features and press search. And once you do so, you'll be able to see a couple of options over here. So you gotta click on not seeing a feature on WhatsApp, and then what you gotta do is simply scroll all the way to the bottom and then click on contact support, click on start chat, and you will be redirected to the chat of contact support of WhatsApp. So you gotta simply type them down that my feature of WhatsApp music is not available. And you can simply send the message to them and then they'll look into it. So that is basically how you can fix WhatsApp status music not working. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.